Hello guys, welcome to my channel and you're watching Simple Living PH. And today guys, in this video, as you see, I've been using goggles and mask because I've been cutting grasses early in the morning at 6 a.m. I've been using a grass cutter. I was just borrow it, so I already cut the front yard of the area, and now in this video we're going to try to plant a banana tree. So I'm going to ask some help to my friend here, a kid. He knows also how to do it. So we're going to get a small banana trees, the area of my father. Then we're going to transfer it at this area, at this backyard of our house. So come on guys. So as you see in this video guys, this is the area of my father. And he had a lot of banana trees here. There's two kinds of bananas, the yellow one and the green one. So these are the trees. So we're going to get the small trees here, like this one. We can also get even a bigger than to this one. So we're going to transfer there. And if you transfer it, you can see soon it will also be like this. They will multiply. They will have their own, just like a baby tree around them. So you see the fruits. So now we are checking the area where to put the banana trees, the transferred banana. So as you can see guys, it's plenty of grasses here. So we're going to clean and make a hole where to put the small banana trees. So we really need to clean. So come on guys. So what we are doing here now is we are counting the steps, where the distance to put the banana trees. So we need like a six steps. So that soon it will not be they will have their space, because soon they will going to multiply. So we need to have space between the trees where to put. So Tonton is now digging a hole where to put our banana trees. So this is a 6 steps to Tonton, and also on this side we're going to make like a square, or let's see how many we can make here, because there's, as you see, there's too much plants here. So it will really take us this is the bamboos here guys. So as you see, it will really take us more time to clean here. So much plants. I'm going to clean here. So after that I'm going to make another holes. So this is my friend Tonton. Ton, say hi. Habla hi.
Hi.
So just going to plant the banana tree now here. Just cleaning here this area. Come in. ¿Cuánto pies que él? Punta daw. Limpia yun. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, put there.
Blan sino?
See.
Just taking a rest for a while, and I saw something here. It's a bird nest. But there's no bird at all. Actually, this is the back area of our house. Our house is over there, so this area really had plenty of snakes here. That's why we put a net here at this area so they cannot pass through. So our house is over there, so this area is really had Shh! Bubbles, quiet. Shh! This area here, it's plenty of snakes. Shh! Especially cobra. Bubble, quiet. So we're done cleaning the area where to put the banana. So we just did 6 holes. So because it's so very hot there at this time, so we will continue at the next time. We will going to extend more to put more holes and to put more bananas. So this time we're going now. Now we're going to take the small banana plants, and so we can transfer it right now because at this time it's so very hot there. So sorry. Come on guys.
Come on, guys.
Come on guys. So we are now going. This is the area of my father here, the area of my parents. So this is the site of their house. So as you see, there's plenty of bananas here and also plenty of garbage leaves here. So we're going to get small banana trees like this one. So now we are done getting the small banana trees to transfer there. So come on, let's going to put that on the holes that we made earlier. So come on guys, we're going to put these small banana trees that we got there earlier at my father's area. So Tonton will gonna show you how to plant this to transfer. We are now done transferring the banana plant. As you see guys, I just made this. It's so hot here now. It's 2 p.m. the afternoon. So this is the banana that we send my back. So already done planting. Okay. So we are now done planting or transferring the small banana trees in to my area here in this backyard. So maybe later on we're going to Tonton and I will going to add it more, but now it's so hot, that's why we stop, and maybe we can do it next time or maybe tomorrow early in the morning, so that this kind of hotness makes you tired even more. So hope you guys enjoy in this video, and thank you for watching, and hope to see you in my another vlog. Thank you and God bless us all.